The number of solid spheres, each of diameter 6 cm, that would be molded to form a solid metal cylinder of height 45 cm and diameter 4 cm is means what? There are spheres. This is a sphere, and we take some 4, 5, 6, 7 spheres. We boil them. Then the metal is converted into a cylinder. See here, both are solid. Solid means full from inside also, right? So we have to just mold this metal into this. So we know the volumes, formula for volumes. Volume of cylinder is what? This one, pi r square h. That is pi into 2 square into 45. 2 is the radius, 4 is the diameter, so 2 is the radius. H is 45. So let n spheres be required. So total volume of n spheres is n into 4 upon 3 into pi r square, pi r cube, right? Volume of sphere is what? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. R is what? This. Diameter is what? 6 given. So radius is 3. So 6 upon 2, 3 cube. Okay. Now combine these two. Equate these two. So pi into 2 square into 45 equals to n into 4 upon 3 into pi into 3 cube. So solve this. You will get n equals to 180 upon 9 into 4, that is 5. So 5 metal cubes are required. This is simple calculation, just cancellation. You try it yourself. Okay, it will happen. Next, a right circular cone